Good morning, guys. Today I'm here to do a bedroom tour because I am moving yet again. So I'm just giving you a tour of my current bedroom as I have it right now, which I love. This is exactly how I'm going to have it in my next apartment. So this is my bed. I got one of those popular beds that every people on Instagram had. I actually bought this from Wayfair for like 200 bucks. And my bedside table, it's called the Penelope. It's from West Elm. This is my favorite bedside table ever. I love this thing so much. This is a mess right now. This is how you're going to get it. I always have a glass of water next to my bed just in case, you know, if I need to drink something, if I wake up in the middle of the night and I am thirsty, I need to have water. And these are also from West Elm. I wish I had bought two pink ones because I think the pink ones, you know, it's cute. For next time though, I've got this mirror that's still here from my last bedroom tour. And here I usually hang my robes. I have a white and a silk one. We can move on here. I have this chest drawer that I was looking for, and my mom had this one, so she gave it to me. And this is how this usually looks. This I do the picture for my matcha or breakfast every morning. I usually just remove it, put it on the bed, and take my photo there because, as you can see, the light is here. This is where I sit down and do my makeup in the morning. Can show you myself because I am naked. And this is my professional light that does my makeup. So this is my makeup area. And here I have underwear. This is the second one is empty, and this one I have pants that I need. Now let's move on. From my bed, this is the view from my bed. I have my massive mirror here. I have my two closets, and I've got this clothes rack where I can easily reach the things that I am currently wearing. So this is the view of me sitting in my bed there. I have this window here. So these are usually the bags that I'm currently going back and forth with. Magazine, and these are all the shoes. Sorry for this mess. But these are all the shoes that I am currently wearing right now. On this corner is my little spiritual corner. So I have my salt lamp, my incense, my lotion, my sage, and everything. So all that can be found here. And over here is stuff that I am selling on Poshmark. So if you're interested, check me out. I am DadouChic on Poshmark. And underneath here, I've got my working out things and what is that? Iron and my steamer. So this is the view of my bed from my closet. As you can see, it's super cute, super simple, nothing crazy, which I love. But this bedroom is just made so badly. It's like nothing makes sense here. Yeah, the bed can only go on the side because it just doesn't make sense to go anywhere else because of the way the bedroom is made, because the way of the windows are placed. It's just like everything makes no sense at all. I just don't understand it. But that's okay. I am moving out anyway this week. So, yeah. This is my bedroom tour. This is me standing at my bedroom door. And, yeah. This is it. Very simple. Nothing too crazy. So, you guys have some glimpses of my apartment from my vlogs. This is my living room. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's a great size. I am moving, guys, so I started packing my stuff. As you can see, over there is empty. This is my work table. This is my work blog table. This is my work table. Over here I have this mirror and this clothes rack where I hang all my stuff. I need to start packing actually because my mom is coming down, but I am procrastinating because yeah, that's how I usually get, and it's annoying. So yeah, this is my air conditioning here. So yeah. Hello guys, today is my first day back from Paris, my first full day. I slept over. I got back last night really late. I went like midnight. I slept over at Manuel's house because it was just so much easier for us to just split an Uber, stay at her house, because I had my car parked in the Bronx, because I don't live in the Bronx anymore. That's going to be a life update video. It's gonna be titled, you know, why am I homeless or something like that. So yes, I am currently homeless. I'm staying at, well, yeah, I'm staying at my mom's right now. So I will give you guys all the story as to why I'm staying at my mom's. That's a story for another day. Maybe I'll tell you tomorrow on lunchtime. If I have some time, I'll sit down and explain it to you guys. If not, then it's going to be in the car whilst I am driving back home. Not in the morning because it's super dark when I live here in the morning. Yeah, I'll tell you the story as to why. I'm currently staying at my mom's and I don't have my apartment anymore. My stuff is in storage. It's a big mess, but I just want to make sure that something goes through first. Once I get that confirmation, I could go ahead and tell you guys all the tea and give you the detail. Yes, today's my first full day back from Paris. Woke up early. I had 2 shoots scheduled today, one at 9 a.m, the other one at 1. So yes, got back really late last night and had to wake up super early. It was very easy for me to wake up because my body was a little bit on Paris time. I woke up at 4 a.m, which worked out perfectly. Went back to bed for another hour or 2, and then I woke up at 6 or something, got ready, went to the Bronx, got my car, and went to shoot. Today was a really good shoot day also. Everything worked out perfectly. Outfits, the background. Back at my mom's now. I've just been unpacking and just really like just hang out with them. Hang out with my mom, my brother. I did curl my hair a little bit. This is new hair that I got before Paris. I wanted black hair because I look back at my pictures from Paris and they look amazing. So I was like, ooh, I need to go back to black hair. I think black hair looks really nice on me. So I think I'm obsessed. It's funny, I went from being to never really like black hair. That's my mom laughing in the back, by the way. I went from not liking black hair on me at all. I always felt the need to have some kind of color in my hair, to now loving black hair. So yeah, I don't know why I turned on next camera. No idea what I was going to tell you guys. Forgive my nails. I got them done like a week or 2 before Paris and they held up pretty good actually. They almost lasted me almost a month. So I need to go back and get them done. Maybe Tuesday I will do that because tomorrow I'm shooting after work. So, and I think I have to meet my friend for lunch. I need to meet Bae for lunch or something. I am so happy to be vlogging again. I bought a new vlogging camera. This is the Sony A5100. And by the way, I'm wearing no makeup. My skin has cleared so much. Well, I only filled in my eyebrows because I need eyebrows, but other than that, it's no makeup kind of day. Good morning, guys. I am back, baby. Today is Saturday, October 6th, and it's about 9:57, and I am ready for work. I have a shoot today with a new client. I'm always so excited when I have to shoot with new clients. I used to get nervous, but I don't get nervous anymore. I just turn nervousness into excitement. So yes, guys, I am in the car. This is my little get up here. I have my camera. Like I tell you guys all the time, if you didn't know, I am a photographer. I shoot a lot with fashion bloggers or even people that are not bloggers. Like the girl from today, I don't think she's a blogger. I'm not sure. We'll find out. But yes, guys, if you live in, you know, within the 5 boroughs of New York City and you like to shoot with me, definitely drop, you know, slide in my DM. I think it's my client. Hold on. Guys, photo shoot is in session. I'm gonna show you like really. Showing you behind the scene of a photo shoot. I usually have my camera and my clients is right there. I thought I could let my phone sit here, but I'm gonna let it sit right here so you can see us doing our thing. Guys, oh my god, the sun is just giving me so much life right now. So a little update, I just went to see a place today. So yeah, I am considering getting, not really considering getting a roommate, I am getting a roommate. So yeah, I'm quite happy about it. Before I thought I couldn't really live with people, but after having gone to my like spiritual experience, I feel like I could just live with just anyone, you know, just to let things bother me. So yeah, I don't know if I've told you guys the story yet that I was given notice to vacate my apartment. I mean the house that I lived in the Bronx. I was having some issues with the landlord, old Caribbean folks. I would never rent an apartment and having to live in the same place as a landlord, and even if I was to become a landlord one day, I would never live with my tenants. I just will not do it. They were just like, you know, old, I don't know if you not used to old Caribbean folks, they have their own ways and they're like very annoying. It's like they don't want you to give you your privacy, and I'm like, this is why I moved out and I am paying for this place, is to get my own privacy. And it was just like little things, really. And honestly, if it wasn't for my ex-boyfriend Joe, I would have moved out of that place a long time ago. It was really him that kind of like, you know, kept me there and kind of like calmed it down and whatever. But I have been ready to just like spaz on him for a long time, and after him bothering me for so long, I just had it, and I went off on him one time. And yeah, so I guess I'll tell you the story. So my friend slept over and he left his phone in my house. So it was the next day, so I was like, okay, just meet me at the house, whatever, when you get off work you can come pick it up. So in the morning, because we took the train together to, you know, go to work, whatever. And so yeah, when I got home, I left the door a little bit, like, not really like, oh, I left the door open, but closed but open, you understand? I didn't lock it, so it was open but still closed a little bit. So when my friend gets here, he can just walk in, because the thing is, the bell is on the inside of the place. I've been asking him for 2 years to put the bell on the outside. First of all, that should just be illegal. Why do you have the bell inside of the house, not outside? So many times I've had issues where UPS comes, they, you know, when I order things that require signature, I would have to go pick it up because they would come in and there'd be no way for them to just like ring the bell because it's on the inside. It's so stupid, because again, these folks are just weird. So yeah, it's just little things like that. And then there was a little hallway downstairs that only I use. They don't use, they have a separate door on the side. They insist on putting this like bunch of like scented stuff that smells horrible, and I have a very like, I have like a sensitivity to like scent and all that stuff, because I have really like bad allergies. And I've asked them many times, please don't put the smelly stuff on the little hallway that I use. You guys don't use it, there's no reason for you to put it there. And I'm like, the hallway doesn't smell, it doesn't even smell like anything, but they're just like so obsessed and then like staying in the ways. And I'm like, you guys just do not give my health. You're trying to get me sick. So every day, every time I walk past, my allergies was just like get worse and get worse. Plus I have carpet in my bedroom, and I've asked them to remove the carpet because again, I am allergic to dust mites. It's like every day I can't sleep properly. It was like a bunch of issues. Again, I don't even know how I lasted that long. I lasted almost 3 years in that place. And I am so glad that I am finally out. And you know what, everything happens for a reason. I have been seeing the signs. The signs that I have been seeing was like number 444, 1111, 111. I have been seeing pretty much all those numbers, and I've been trying to figure out what they meant. And then I kind of like got fed up with everything. And then one day, it's funny, just like a week before that happened, I woke up that day and I'm like, universe, I'm tired. I've been seeing so many signs. Just do something, just make something happen. I'm like, I'm tired of seeing all the signs and then nothing is happening. Whatever needs to happen, make sure it's, you know, it's happening right now. I'm tired. I've seen the signs which tell, you know, which is trying to tell me something. I don't know what it is that you're trying to tell me, but whatever it is, make it happen. I am ready for it to happen. So long and behold, like a week later, I had this like big thing with them, with the door and everything. Just a little door. I opened the door because my friend was coming, whatever. 5 minutes later, they went and locked the door. And my friend comes, he can't really, you know, communicate with me because the bell is on the inside. He doesn't have his phone, so that's a problem. I walk downstairs. I was like, why do you close the door? And I'm like, I leave it open because I needed it. I know it's a long story, guys, sorry. And I'm usually all over the place when I tell stories because I remember little bits and pieces and then I keep going back and forth. So if that annoys you, I am so sorry. You kind of have to kind of like connect the dots and everything. I'm so sorry. I am trying to get better. That's why I think I should tell more stories on here, because that would help me get better at telling stories. So yeah, that day I just went ham on him. It was just like a big fight. Not really a big fight, but I finally like put my foot down and I'm like, I've had it. I'm like, I'm sick and tired of you guys like treated me like a child. I'm like, I'm not a child. I pay to live here. I deserve respect. If I leave the door open, it's because I need it open. You are going to leave it open. Oh, I thought you might have forgotten. I'm like, yeah, because you treat me like a child, because you expect a child to forget to lock the doors. Because I'm like, I'm an adult. Like, do you really think I need to get wild and everything? If I didn't need the door open, why would I leave it open? I don't get. I've been living here for how long? 2.5 years. Like, I don't understand. So that turned into like a big thing. Got really upset, and then I went.
How many people died that day?
Huh?
In New York City.
For what?